Hey guys, thanks for stopping to the channel. This is my first video from the uh, under 1,000 subs group build hosted by Rob over at Time Machine Scale Models and Mike's Speed Shop. So as I said on my previous video, on my entry, I was gonna do the 34 Ford. I've been watching everyone's videos, and I'm just excited as everyone just to put this video out there, and thank you Rob and Mike for doing this video, and for not doing this video, but for doing this group build for everyone who's under 1,000, and good luck to everyone who's entering this group build, and good luck on your build, and good luck on your subs, and hopefully at the end of this whole journey we can all get our subs up, and I'm almost close to 500, or 450 I should say, so I got 50 more and then I'll do my giveaway. But anyways, so here's the box, and as I said on the previous, I cut it open, and as soon as I got home I was just so anxious, and I cut some of the parts off the screw, and I put the engine, but just the two halves together. It's still kind of drying, but just because I did this for the simple fact that I found, I think on the previous video I said that I had some flathead engines laying around, and I found the ones that I was looking for, and I found the one, this is from the, let's see if it'll focus. Okay, so this is from the 49, which is from this one, and this one I think I got the engine from the 53, or the other one that comes with this kit. So I want to use this, so I put the this together, the halves, just to see how big and what are the difference, just in case I need to do any mock-up, or if I need to build something out, just so I can make the engine sit with the chassis. So, and it seems like it might fit. Might do some modifications to it, but I'm not too sure. I guess I'll just I'll put it together as I go, but it seems like it might be a good fit, even if I put this thing on. It might fit. It might be like a good fit. I'm not sure, but if not, then I'm not too worried. It's no biggie. And then here's the rest of it. So I'm gonna just tilt this. Here's the instructions. Here's the other chrome half. Here's the tires, and the other piece of the styrene bag. The trophy truck that comes with it. The other steelies. The rest of the other bag. There's nothing else in there, just the axles and another piece. So here's the towing part of it, the tow truck part. Here's the other stuff, front and rear suspension. So I think it comes with both, to stock height and lower. So whichever I go based on the engine, then I'll either do it stock or just lower it. And seats. And the bed. And the rear axle. So I kind of want to do where the bed, I'm going to do the tow package and everything, and I might just do a piece of styrene so that I could just put it on and remove it, kind of like this other truck that I built. So if I want to do the tow package, I could just put it on this one and swap it. When I built this one, I lost a few parts, so even if I wanted to just take parts off of that one, I just don't have anything. So that's pretty much it. In colors, I already know what color I'm gonna paint it. If you guys have been following my channel, you guys should know. You guys pretty much should know by now my favorite color, and that's what I'm gonna go with. And the weather is still snowing outside, and it's raining and windy and all that, but I don't worry too much about the weather. If anything, if I paint it and the paint comes out crappy, you guys already know it's gonna be a rusty, so not too worried about that. So yeah, so here's the truck, and hopefully I'll be able to incorporate this engine if I can. Let's see if it'll focus. If I can, then I'll do it. If not, then I'll just use the one that comes with it, because I think the other chrome one, I'm not sure if it's a Chevy engine or I'm not sure, but it's not a flathead. It's like another type of V8 or small block. But anyways, I would like to use this one, but if I can, then no biggie. I'll just paint this and go along with it and go from there. So, all right. So that's my my first episode of the group build. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, please like, share, subscribe, and you know, all the good stuff, and enjoy everybody else's builds, and again, thank you, Rob and Mike, for hosting this group build, and I do appreciate you guys hosting this, and hopefully we could get our numbers up, and not just for the numbers, but just to share our work, and see what our the type of work that we do, rusties, shinies, daily drivers, whatever you name it. So yeah, I don't want to start because I'm already thinking what else. I just want to do so much stuff to this truck. So, and then I have the other group built, the Race of Gentlemen. So that's another thing. And I've been talking to Paul over Styrene Relics, and I got one engine that I might be able to get away with that group build. So, I'm trying to stay with the 1930s theme. That's why I picked this truck. So, all right. So I won't take you guys any more time, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy modeling.